Now students, next properties of division of a fraction. Division of a fraction properties. The first property, any fraction is divided by 1 gives the same fraction, What it means? Any fraction, so any fraction, whatever fraction you want to take, any fraction, suppose if 2 by 5 fraction is there, if 2 by 5 fraction divided by 1, then what it is? 2 by 5 means here 1 reciprocal is 1. So 2 by 5, if we take instead of division into, then we take 1 reciprocal. 1 reciprocal is 1, that is 1 by 1 only. 2 ones are 2 by 1 5s are 5, 2 by 5. If any number is divided by 1, then the answer is the fraction itself, only. If any fraction is divided by 1, then the answer is the number, the fraction itself, Suppose 10 by 5 divided by 1, 10 by 5 only. 1 by 2 divided by 1, 1 by 2 only. So 10 by 7 divided by 1 is 10 by 7 only. If any fraction is divided by 1, then we will get the same fraction. Okay, this is our first property. Second property, any fraction divided by itself. If any fraction divided by itself, then it gives 1. So how it is? Suppose this fraction 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 5, then what is the answer? 2 by 5 means we have to take 2 by 5 as it is. Instead of this, if we take into, then we have to take reciprocal, divisor reciprocal, 5 by 2. This 5 ones are 5 ones are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. Then what is 1 into 1 by 1 into 1, that is 1 by 1, that is 1. If any fraction is divided by itself, the answer is 1. If any fraction is divided by itself, the answer is 1. If any fraction is divided by 1, so the answer is the fraction itself. That is our first. The second, any fraction is divided by itself, the answer is 1. Next, in example, in third property, so 1 divided by fraction gives reciprocal of a fraction. 1 divided by any fraction, 2 by 5. If 1 divided by any fraction, then what it gives? 1 as it is into, here we have to write 5 by 2. 1 into 5 by 2, 5 by 2. If 1 is divided by any fraction, then you will get a reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal, 2 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 2. You will get reciprocal of the fraction. If 1 divided by any fraction, so then your answer is the reciprocal of that divisor. This is third property. Then fourth property. What is the fourth property? 0 divided by any fraction. 0 divided by any fraction means 2 by 5. Then what it be? 0 into 2 by 5 means 5 by 2 we have to take. 0 by 1. 0 5s are 0, 2 1s are 2. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 divided by any fraction, the answer is 0. These are the four properties. First property, listen again, first property. If any fraction is divided by 1, the answer is the fraction itself. The second property, if any fraction is divided by itself, the answer is 1. It is second property. Third property, 1 is divided by any fraction, then you will get reciprocal of that fraction. 2 by 5 reciprocal, 5 by 2. Third property, in third property, if 0 is divided by any fraction, fourth property, in this fourth property, if 0 is divided by any fraction, then answer is 0. These four properties you have to remember. Okay. Now students, in ninth exercise, the first question, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Here are two fractions are given, these two fractions reciprocals we have to write. 3 by 4 reciprocal. 3 by 4 reciprocal. What is a reciprocal? Reciprocal means we have to write numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator. Here 3 by 4 means we have to write 4 by 3. Here 4 is in denominator, that we have to take in numerator, and 3 is in numerator, that we have to write in denominator. This is the reciprocal means. Then 1 by 9 reciprocal. Unit fraction reciprocal is a whole number, that is 1 by 9 reciprocal is 9 by 1. 9 by 1, or we can write it as 9 also. 9 also. Okay. Now in the blanks, so these two blanks based on the properties of division of fractions. So here if any fraction is divided by 1, then what we will get? The fraction itself, that is 15 by 17. If any fraction is divided by 1, so then what is the answer? The fraction itself only the answer. Here second, fraction is divided by itself. If any fraction is divided by itself, then the answer is 1. Then the answer is 1. Okay. Next, divide each of the following. Here mixed fractions are given. These mixed fractions division we have to find. First we have to convert these mixed fractions into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 by 4 divided by 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 by 8. Now how to divide? So this divisor we have to write as it is, and after that here division sign is there, so here we have to keep multiplication sign. After taking multiplication sign, so we have to take the reciprocal of this divisor. So what is here? 9 by 8 is a divisor, we have to take 8 by 9. 8 by 9. Now these two have common factor 4, so cancel with 4. 4 1s are, 4 2s are. Then after that multiply numerator and numerator, 13 into 2, and after that denominator with denominator, 1 with 9. 13 2s are 26 by 9. Then so change in mixed fraction, 2 8 by 9. So if we change 26 by 9 in mixed, then how it is? 2 9 by 8. So you have to follow 2 8 by 9. 2 8 by 9 is our mixed fraction. Okay. So if say you want in detail, so in rough column you have to do in detail. 9 divides this 26. 9 2s are 18. Borrow here 16 will come. 16 minus 8 8. Then quotient, remainder by divisor, 2 8 by 9. 2 8 by 9. Now the second question, so it is in mixed fraction, we have to write this mixed fraction into improper fraction first. 5 2s are 10, 12, 12 by 5 divided by 7 to the 14, 16 by 7. Then now 12 by 5, instead of this division you have to keep multiplication. 16 by 7 means we have to take the reciprocal of this divisor, 7 by 16. These two have common factors 4, cancel with 4. 4 4s are, 4 3s are. Now after that multiply numerator with numerator, 3 with 7, 5 with 4, 3 7s are 21, 5 4s are 20. Then now you change this in mixed fraction, 1 by 20. This is our answer. Okay. Now see here students, next in exercise 9, what problem? Fourth question. The cost of 3 1 by 2 meters of ribbon is 64 1 by 2 rupees. Then what is the cost of 1 meter ribbon? So here 3 1 by 2 meters ribbon cost is given, that is 64 1 by 2 rupees. So then we have to find 1 meter ribbon cost. Here see here 3 1 by 2 ribbon cost is given more and asking unit. So that means we have to find, means we have to do division here. So why we have to do division here? Here more he is given and unit he is asking. So that means we have to divide. That means we have to divide. So here steps. So what is the first step? 3 1 by 2. 3 1 by 2 meters ribbon cast. Ribbon cast. How much? 3 1 by 2 meters ribbon cast is rupees 64 1 by 2 rupees. 64 1 by 2 rupees. Then so we have to find 1 meter ribbon cast. 1 meter ribbon cast. 1 meter ribbon cast is equal to, so this we have to divide with this. The total cost 64 1 by 2 we have to divide with 3 1 by 2. Then how to divide? First, this is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction we have to convert into improper fraction. 64 2s are 128, 128 plus 1, 129. 129 divided by 2 and also divide 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. Then after that, how to divide? So division rule. First, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Dividend we have to take as it is 129 by 2 and after that we have to change this sign. So multiplication sign we have to keep. After changing multiplication sign, so we have to take the reciprocal of the divisor, that is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Now these 2 and these 2 divided by 2. So they have common factor 2, 2 ones are and 2 ones are. Then after that, numerator with numerator we have to multiply 129 with 1 by 1 with 7. 129 ones are 129 by here 7. 1 sevens are 7. 129 divided by 7. So here we have to change 129 by 7 into mixed. This is improper fraction. So then how to change improper into mixed? We know 7 ones are 7, 7 8s are 56 means 3 by 7. 18 3 by 7 rupees. So 18 3 by 7 rupees. 1 meter ribbon cast. Now 1 meter ribbon cast. How much? Rupees 18 3 by 7. Okay. So first what he has given 3 1 by 2 meters ribbon cast is given. 1 meter ribbon cast he is asking. So that means more he is given, 1 he is asking, unit he is asking. So whenever he is asking unit, then we have to divide. We have to divide. So then steps. 3 1 by 2 meter ribbon cast is 64 1 by 2 rupees. Then 1 ribbon cast is how much? So that means this total cost we have to divide with the total how much meters. So that with that we have to divide. And according to the division rule, so we have to find the solution, that is rupees 18 3 by 7. It is approximately rupees 18.4. Approximately 18.4. So this is the cost of 1 meter ribbon. Okay. Next, the next fifth question, the perimeter of a square ground is 18 1 by 4 kilometers. Then Abhinay walked half of the distance and had to go home. How much distance could Abhinay cover around the ground? Here, total ground perimeter is given. So ground perimeter 18 1 by 4 kilometers. In this 18 1 by 4 kilometers, Abhinay walked half, means 1 by 2 of a distance. How much distance he walked? Half, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 distance he walked. So then how much distance could Abhinay cover? How much distance he covers he is asking. Means, so in the total whatever is there given, so that total perimeter, so that perimeter we have to divide with half, 1 by 2. So that much he covered. So after dividing whatever answer you are getting, so that distance shows our, so distance Abhinay covers around the ground, First we have to write the steps. First step, square ground perimeter, square ground perimeter, that is 18 1 by 4 kilometers, 18 1 by 4 kilometers. In that Abhinay walked half of a distance. Abhinay walked half means 1 by 2 of the distance, So 1 by 2 of the distance he walked. Then Abhinay covered the distance travelled by Abhinay is equal to 18 1 by 4. Half means whenever half is given, half means we have to divide with 2, not 1 by 2. We have to divide with 2. So 4 half is 2, 10 half is 5. How you will get half? If you divide with 2, then you will get half. It means half means we have to divide with 2. Here also the fraction we have to divide with 2. Here this is the whole number, so we have to divide, so the denominator is 1. Now we have to take 18 4s, so we have to convert this into improper fraction. 18 4s 72 plus 1, 73. 73 by 4 divided by 2 by 1. Then 73 by 4, so then change here the sign, then you will get reciprocal of the divisor. That is 73 numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 73 ones are 73 by 4 ones are 4. Then 73, not 4, 4 into 2 here. Here 2 is there. 4 2s are 8. This 73 by 8 we have to convert into mixed fraction. Then, so how it is? 7, 8, 9 is 72 and 1 by 8. Then half of the distance he covered means 8 1 by 2 meters distance he covered. 8 1 by 2, 1 by 8, 9 1 by 8, not 8. 9 1 by 8 meters distance he covered. Half of the distance he walked means 9 1 by 8 meters, kilometers, not meters. Here kilometers is given. Kilometer distance he travelled. How much? This many kilometers distance he travelled. Okay.